For the past 30 years, Star Cinema has been telling stories of Filipinos wherever they are in the world. Stories that shed light on the realities of living and working overseas.
Nandito na ako sa manlupalop ng mundo. Dito dala-dala ko ang obligasyon ko sa inyo na bigyan kayo ng magandang buhay.
I have a chance to make you and Papa proud again.
OFW films po kasi is somehow our story, that's our truth, that's our representation.
Mga palabas na ito ay nakaka-realize ng mga bagay-bagay.
Ito yung nangyayari sa totoong buhay talaga.
Sinasalamin niya yung buhay ng mga Pinoy na kinailangan ng mga ibang bansa para makapag-provide sa pamilya nila.
Na-realize namin through the films of Star Cinema to make the most out of anything.
Seeing these stories on a big screen, mas na-amplify, mas na-e-echo yung buhay ng mga OFW.
Ito rin ay sumasalamin sa bawat kwento, pagsisikap, tatag, sakripisyo at tagumpay ng bawat Pilipino saan man sa mundo.
This 2024, ABS-CBN Studios continues to bring world-class Filipino stories with the home of global Pinoys. For the very first time, Star Cinema and GMA Pictures collaborate for the most awaited continuation of the beloved story of Joy and Ethan.
Tatagpo din ang mga features natin ngayong araw.
Let's make that happen.
In cinemas worldwide.